use a special electrode that detects the presence of sulfide and records it as a voltage on this meter. And the larger that negative number is, the higher the sulfide concentration. And the reason that we care about this is that sulfide is a potent toxin that kills seagrasses. So we've determined that it played a major role in both of the recent seagrass mortality events in Florida Bay. And we can use the sediment sulfide concentrations to see whether conditions are getting better, stabilizing, or getting worse. I wish we knew the definitive answer to that, but for sure, when Florida Bay gets hypersaline, when the salinity is higher than seawater, we start to see sulfide build up, and we get a cascade of events that leads to seagrass mortality.